Alright, Krumla YouTube's your boy the official, and we're back with another video. We're doing another POV again today, as you guys have requested, and yeah. You see? It looks like it's going after someone now.
It looks like it's you because you draw attention with that.
Look at this one. Yo, me? No. Yeah, this was a heavily requested video to do. I don't know why, but yeah, we're back at it. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this video as well. So yeah, maybe next week or the other week. Oh, look at that M2, yo. Oh. Yeah, maybe the next week or the other week, I'm not sure. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, in today's video I'm not alone. I'm with, she's shy today, guys. But yeah, we had a breakfast run earlier on, and I'd rate it like a 6-7 out of 10, because we did indeed get there late, but it's whatever. It was fun. We did go-karting again. If you don't follow my Instagram, it's the official, like THEEEE, so 4e's.official, and the car page is 330_N52. You can check that out on TikTok as well. So yeah, I'm not sure how long this video is going to be as well. So yeah. Yeah, but it's hot, yo.
I think at this one there weren't as many cars as there were at
the last one.
At the last one, yeah. Or maybe it's because we got there late.
I think we got there late.
Got there and left.
Because even remember when we got there, people were leaving.
Okay.
Yeah. I think, are they not on the side there or at the back? Ah, but these guys in the big cars, they bullies, yo.
Yeah, they bullies. Can you imagine when I'm driving my little Mac?
This the exit,
they just push me out the side. Yeah, that's the exit. Where's the phone? Let's check 4 ways. Don't miss your exit.
Yeah. Otherwise we drive too. We go stop. Must get the aircon regassed. Doesn't show anything.
I'm still shaking.
Most of the time it will show if there's cops or not, if you just zoom in a bit. If it's like blue,
yeah, there's a blue on the road at
like
the corner.
what does it say? Like, what does the icon look like? If you zoom in, it shows. Because most of the time it's either cameras or
no, they like that corner. I know they like that corner.
go. Doesn't look like there's anything because I thought that was there.
So I'm trying to buy that and to respect your community, right? But, wow. I wonder what you do with that back there.
She's pissed now, James. Yo, hey. Woo-wee. My sure wonders. I can switch it off. Getting exclusive here. Exclusive. There's other people in the comments that want this. Wena, free mahala.
Yeah, the people that want this, it's not their son. It's not their son. Drivers quietly
Nah, it's not a PM, that thing.
riding into the sunset. Huh?
2 liters for the fridge, Baba. You haven't heard that saying? It's for the fridge. Want to feel? He wanted to come along. Plus now it's my cousin now, so they know me now. Look at this one. What's going on now?
Setting them at that.
Aye. it's going to be the corner special.
No, not just drop you at my house.
Yeah, we finished now. Corner special. The finale.